You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Monzo to Halifax. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing to do is to open the Monzo app, then launch the Monzo app on your mobile device, then access the payment section, then tap on the payment icon located in the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Then from there, you have to tap on pay someone, then select make a bank transfer. Then after that, input the recipient's full name and also enter the account number and sort code of the Halifax bank account you are transferring money to. And after that, you have to specify the amount you wish to transfer, then check all details to ensure accuracy, then confirm the payment to complete the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money or transfer money from Monzo to Halifax. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.